If you felt after the latest iOS update that your iPhone battery started draining faster, or the phone is getting hot for no clear reason, then the problem is most likely not the battery itself. New settings were automatically enabled after the update. They look nice and make the iPhone look more premium, but at the same time, they consume battery and make the device work harder than necessary. Today, I'll show you these settings in order, what's actually worth turning off, and what you should leave on. First, new visual effects, the first reason for battery drain. After any major update, Apple adds new visual effects like transparency, motion, and blur in menus. The problem is that these effects mean the graphics processor is working all the time in the background. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display, and Text Size. Turn on Reduce Transparency. This reduces the work your device does while displaying menus, and the battery difference is especially noticeable on older devices. Second, auto-playing videos and previews. There is a setting that gets enabled after updates, and many people don't notice it, which is automatically playing videos and previews. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion. Turn off autoplay video previews. These previews use both the processor and internet even when you're not watching them. Third, high refresh rate, 120 Hz. If you have an iPhone Pro, the display runs at 120 Hz all the time. It looks smoother, but power consumption is higher. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion. Turn on Limit Frame Rate. The difference in daily use is small, but the battery lasts longer. Fourth, background app refresh, the biggest hidden drain. This is one of the settings that consumes battery and data without you noticing. Go to Settings, General, Background app refresh. Set it to Wi-Fi only, or turn it off for apps that don't need to update in the background. The important thing to understand is that notifications will still arrive normally. This has nothing to do with notifications. Fifth, keyboard vibration and sounds. A small setting, but its effect lasts all day. Settings, Sounds and haptics. Keyboard feedback. Turn off haptic sound, because every tap activates a small vibration motor inside the device. Sixth, always on display, if available. If you can't find always on display on your device, that's normal. This feature is only available on Pro models. The feature is useful, but showing the wallpaper and notifications all the time consumes power. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness. Always on display, leave only the clock on, and turn off wallpaper and notifications. In the end, the problem is that most of these settings look like improvements, but in reality, they make the iPhone work harder than necessary throughout the day. If you apply these steps, you'll notice the difference within a day or two of normal use. And tell me in the comments, after the latest update, what did you notice more, battery drain or overheating? because there's another setting that very few people know about, and that's what we'll talk about in the next video.